Alright guys, we are taking the Bronco snow wheeling today. Got my buddy in the Ranger, and we are going up to Mount Hood that way. You guys can't see it right now, but we're in the middle of April, and for some reason we got some snow. So we're gonna make the use of it since I just got the Bronco, and we're gonna go thrash on her. Just getting the views. Check it out. Jeez.
Look, this is hard.
First snow on the Bronco, huh? Hey.
Oh.
Look at this little ice wing that we're forming here. It's I don't know, I guess it's a trip. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah, the snow is really coming down now. I feel that I have two different personalities, one for YouTube.
100%.
Yeah?
Hello. So my pitching voice is like high pitched, dude. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, excellent. Yeah, what's going on with your eyes? Oh yeah.
Bronco first snow, looking good. Oh man, she's covered. She's cake.
Oh yeah, we should have aired you down.
You're on the chassis. Yeah, you're on chassis.
All right, we're gonna try and get on top of the mound over there. So we're gonna air down to, I don't know, probably 18. And then we're gonna give it another shot. I don't fully expect to make it down the trail, obviously, but I do wanna get on top of that hill. This air down kit's so cool.
It is pretty awesome.
Yeah, all four at once. Yeah. You know it's one of my vehicles, because it's a bro. Wait, no. It's a bro!
Let her eat.
Josh, it's just going.
Yeah, once I air down, I'll follow.
Heck yeah.
So were you full locked on that? Front and rear?
No, just rear.
Oh. Quite buried there, sir.
Hey, you don't say, bud. Oh boy. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Here we go, we're plowing. Uh-oh.
Sir, what seemed to happen here?
Well, might have gotten a little too cocky here, but
Is the snow a little slippery?
lands, baby.
Bad lands. All right, so what happened is every time I try to winch the Bronco back, it's pulling my truck forward. So I need to double my pulling power to get the Bronco unstuck. So we're actually going to snatch block off the Bronco back to the Ranger, and it essentially doubles my power without doing anything. What we're going to do is take our little snatch block, close her up like this, and then get our shackle here.
You want to run?
And then run this back.
That Bronco makes a real good anchor now.
Okay. All right, here's what we're gonna do now.
Video turned into off-road recovery mission. We're using a tree saver.
We're getting some quality off-road.
Look out, Josh.
Well, we're trying to save your truck right now.
Thumbnail's more important, bud.
All right. I'm moving.
All right.
So Jeff, how you feeling right now? Your 2022 Bronco up to the chassis in snow.
Feeling pretty good. If you don't get her stuck, you're not sending hard enough, bud.
Oh.
No stopping.
All right.
I see the look of
Don't get stuck.
Let's go, Eagle Scout. Full sends only, baby.
Keep going.
It's like kicking up snow.
shift.
Oh no.
I stopped! Guys, I'm not having issues. What if I just go like 50 more feet to those branches?
What are you doing, man?
Plowing through the snow.
Honestly, Adam here is about to just get demolished if he doesn't move out of the way.
I'm getting a bit worried here though, because we are out of Josh's range of recovery.
Yeah. You know what we're gonna do though? We're gonna send her, bud!
It's gonna be one hell of a tow. You'll call Matt to off-road recovery.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Dude. I know I shouldn't, but
I would say absolutely not a chance. Not a good idea.
I feel like I just messed up the first time.
I feel like it's gonna be quite an expensive tow, Jeff.
Oh.
All right, guys. Well, take this as a testament to me not knowing when to stop, because I feel like I just messed up the first time. So I wanted to keep sending, because the Bronco is plowing through this stuff. Look at it. It's just like 2 feet deep or something like that. This time though, I instead of digging myself in when I got stuck, I just stopped. So now we're using my fitness skills to jog back and get the traction boards. So here's where we got stuck. These banks are killer, man. See, once you get up in them, where they start pulling you, that's when you're in trouble. All right, traction board secure. Time to haul them back. Here we go. Look at this. What absolute madman would try and take their Bronco through that?
Is this why I bought the Bronco?
Oh, you know it.
Traction board's incredible.
Yeah. As long as I don't.
Is this a drain? It is a drain. That's sick.
You ready for an adventure?
Would anyone like some Sweet Tarts Mini Chewies?
Your traction control is off, correct?
It is. How do you roll the windows down back
I was
here?
just making sure because of the light.
In here. No. Ride high?
Yo, yeah. 100%.
We are just solo Bronco with traction boards. So once I get stuck, I'm gonna stop and then back up, traction boards. You ready, boys?
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
There we go. We are stuck.
We are.
That was not good.
That is.
That was rough. Do not back up. All right.
We
Can I get out of this?
are
I can't.
stuck.
Wow.
Excellent. Excellent.
So
We
are.
Yep.
Yeah.
Man.
That's.
I'm glad we decided to keep going.
Seconds after we decide to send it, this is what happens. Adam,
Full
move.
sends, baby.
All right.
I know you sound happy right now, but
Dude,
dig
I'm
forward.
overjoyed right now. I love being stuck.
I sense your sarcasm,
Let's talk about a plan here.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we gotta bring the car forward.
A little bit.
It's gotta come forward, so we need to dig out the front a little bit.
Adam, move. Walk around the back. Okay. Well, it's not the worst of scenarios.
Actually, it kind of is.
Yeah, Josh?
Let's see what that trail turn assist can do.
Oh, wait. If we can dig that out forward, we can try that.
You go hard right, this tire will go which way?
If we go hard right, that inside tire right there will break. And these three, this will spin, that will spin, and the other will spin.
Yeah, that was a pretty good send right there.
Make sure you get the view to our left, Vic. And down.
That's where we don't. Reversing is not an option.
Reversing is not an option.
Currently, the situation is we are stuck. So. Adam, move out of the way. Sorry. Dude, the biggest target is got this cake of an ass.
Yeah, get to digging, Josh. What are you doing?
Dude, this shit is powder, dude.
Would you rather it be packed?
No, I mean, well, yeah.
Really?
Actually,
Because then we wouldn't get stuck.
yeah, packed you can glide over. I mean,
If this was packed,
powder. What?
If this was packed, I don't know if I'd want to be on this trail.
Why?
You'd slide.
No, dude, packed is where you want to be.
The embankment right there?
I'm so glad this happened. Why?
Because this is.
It was so fun, dude.
Dude, I'm so
What do you
glad-
mean? We were sideways!
I'm so glad that I decided to buy $30 worth of snacks instead of like 2.
All my snacks are in my car. You don't have water, do you?
Dude, I've got plenty of snacks and drinks. It's almost like I anticipated this from last time.
Actually, my truck, I have enough food to survive for like 4 days.
Damn,
4 or
really?
5 days.
I have enough food to survive for 4 days because I'm an expert at fasting. Dude, realistically, at my size, I could survive for like 365 days with no food.
Guys,
Do you have
we're
any
getting
methods?
out, okay? Hey guys, Pixar lamp, anyone? We're gonna try and we're gonna try and traction board forward and then use trail turn assist to straighten out.
Keep coming if you can. Keep coming if you can. Okay. All right.
Bro! Bro, we're stuck.
Let me get a little quick walk around here.
Hey, the sun's coming out.
Sun's out, guns out?
We're not stuck.
We're
We're in an unfavorable situation for moving.
Guys, listen. I think.
No.
I think.
No.
After we're unstuck here, we can keep going.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's just keep sending it forward. Absolutely.
That is an
I think that's a
excellent
great
call.
idea.
I mean, we are getting out of this so easy.
So easy, dude.
If we didn't full send, I think we would have been able to keep traveling.
What?
Well, you had the full send to keep going.
No, I mean like.
No.
Maybe now's the time to try the trail turn assist. Give it a little gas. See if that'll help you. Okay. All right, hold on. Try to back up a little bit.
Straighten out.
You won't be able to. Okay, give it some driver. More. All right, stop there. Straighten. Straight back. Come back. It's okay. You're gonna slide in. It's all right. All right, now give it a little bit of driver and use your mirrors. Follow the pathway. Hopefully. Yep. Get high if you can. Start working it. A little bit of the steering at a time.
Guys, I'm feeling pretty confident again. Whoa!
What was that?
I said I'm feeling pretty confident that we can
Go.
keep going. So guys, as you can see here, we cooked her a little too hard on the send pedal. And then we came sliding through and pointed that way instead of that way. And there is a log and significant drop down there. Yeah. You know what? I'm not feeling so confident no more. What more can you ask for? Get stuck, break out in a snowball fight, dig ourselves out with some traction boards, and we're on our way.
Okay, I didn't make it.
If we made it through this trail easily, I feel like it wouldn't have been as cool of a video. Since we struggled a bit, we actually pushed the Bronco to its limits, and well, I didn't think it would be this sketchy with that cliff there, so.
That being said, though, this thing kicked ass.
It did, like, I feel like if it wasn't sloped towards the embankment and you were just in this type of snow, it would just keep going.
I mean, yeah, you could have kept going. A winch, you'd be just working you could make it through the whole way.
I love these dish pans.
Yeah.
These dish.
Yeah, dude.
All right, boys, we're out.
Dude, it was an excellent trip.
Thank you.
Absolutely spectacular.
Dude, I didn't doubt for a second that we were gonna get unstuck.
Not stuck. I did pretty good, though.
You did really well.
Actually,
This
for
thing
how
did
stuck
so
we
well.
are, that got out very easily.
That got out
Yeah.
really easy.
Yeah.
And I think that trail turn assist, if we didn't have that,
It would have been a lot tougher.
it would have been a lot tougher.
Oh, what a trip. I hope you guys enjoyed some thrashing on the Bronco. If you did, drop a thumbs up, share this video, make sure you are subscribed to keep up with the Bronco content. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one. Air this one down so we weren't getting traction on this
Dude,
tire.
that makes so much sense.
So that's why we got
It
stuck.
would have worked so well.
If we would have aired that one down, we would have had more traction and we wouldn't have got stuck.
Dude, 100%.
Yeah. Good idea. Good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, honestly, I'm an idea man.
Yeah, I mean,
That's
I
me.
should take off-road advice from you. So
That's me. Absolutely. I know what I'm doing.